Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you see this video. Today, I have the privilege to take this 2025 Ford Expedition King Ranch on a little longer ride. We're headed down to the coast. We got an event for the dealership tomorrow in Panacea, the Rockin' Reds fishing tournament. And so they asked me if I wouldn't mind taking one of the vehicles down there for the show or for the event. And of course, they gave me the King Ranch Expedition. There's a video of my review in town of it on my channel. I'll link that down in the description. But I'll get a little bit longer time with this one today. It's about 45 minutes or so. I'm not going to record the whole time because I want to be safe. Looks like it's going to rain again. The roads are wet, so I want to be safe. Better safe than sorry. But once I get down there, I'll give you my total perspective of driving this vehicle day to day. Ride comfort, the power delivery with the 10-speed and the twin turbo EcoBoost engine, the 3.5 liter. And this how it feels. I tell you, just starting out here, I love the panoramic sunroof. I love the seats are very comfortable. I got the ventilated seats on right now, and it's just the total package so far. So I'll let you know on a real tip how it feels and go from there. So y'all hang tight. It'll be about 45 minutes or so before I get down to the event location, and we'll go from there. This vehicle is compliments of Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive. Come and check them out today. We got a plethora of different trims at the dealership, so I just want to shout the dealership out and thank them for letting me bring in my social media experience and influence, if you want to say, and go from there. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all hang tight. This should be epic, and we'll go from there. Peace. Got all the stuff back there for the event. Ain't that cool? A lot of room back there. All right, crew, just doing an update about halfway down there. Right now we are on a back road. I want to give you my perspective on the back road. It's a narrow 2-lane road that we're on. The driver position seat, or the seat of the position of the seat, it sits up high in the sky. I was trying to figure out what I was trying to say there. Gives a commanding view of the road. Side view mirrors are perfectly placed. I love the blind spot camera mirrors that show up here on the infotainment screen when you turn on the turn signals. That's pretty cool. All right, so we are about halfway down. Just wanted to give you my perspective so far. We're on a narrow 2-lane road right now, headed down, taking the back way. And I'm going to tell you something. Between the high seating position, which gives you a commanding view of the hood out there in front of us, in front of me, that plus the heavily weighted, even in regular mode, you know, normal mode, the steering has a nice heavy feel to it. It inspires confidence. The Michelin tires provide good grip. The roads are a little wet, but it doesn't ever feel out of place. I like that. The brake feel is very good for a hefty vehicle of this size, and I'm very impressed so far. I wish I could actually show you the drive, but I was unprepared. But like I said, I take every opportunity to promote our vehicles here at Tallahassee Ford, promote the dealership, our events, whatever I can do to put content out there for you all to see. And yeah, even the flat bottom flat steering wheel, the smaller diameter steering wheel, is perfectly placed with my hand right up here on the top. It feels it inspires confidence, even though it's a smaller steering wheel. But yeah, I will get back with you here shortly and give you another update. Y'all hang tight. All right, family, got yet another update for you. We're almost there. I think we got about 13 minutes left till we get to our destination. Thank God for that. Thank God for safety. It's raining a little bit, so I'm just going to be really, really careful. But yes, let me give y'all one more update about this truck. Amazing feel out here on the road, I'm gonna tell you something. And the acceleration, the 3.5 liter in this vehicle is super quiet. Quite the contrast from the Raptor F-150s. Same engine, but the sound deadening in here is amazing, and the acceleration. We turned out here on 98 and it's sped up a little bit, nothing crazy, but wow, definitely look into these Expeditions if you're looking for a full-size 3-row SUV. And I'll say this, you won't be disappointed. It's a well-rounded highway cruiser, back road cruiser as well. Once again, even in normal mode, the steering has a nice heavy on center feel, and yeah, it's very good. Y'all hang tight. All right, family, we made it. What an epic drive this was to have this Expedition for a little while longer. Overall, I say it's perfect. Like I said, plenty of room back there for the family, for whatever you need. You see we got the cornhole things back there for the event tomorrow. I'm gonna spin around here in a little bit and let y'all see what's being set up. It's the day before. And yeah, the Expedition is a great vehicle. I love, once again, I'll say it again, I love the steering feel. I love the weighted steering wheel feel. The acceleration's on point. The interior is super comfortable, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats. Just epic time to be alive. And I'm just glad that you guys are here. Y'all hang tight, we're gonna get it together. Let me go, we gotta move something real quick and we'll go from there. All right, family, we have made it. This is my man TJ at Tallahassee 4. We out here on the coast, rocking reds. Look at all this. Hold on. Spin around. Y'all see that? I hope it ain't raining this weekend, but it is what it is. The Expedition, we got a Bronco. I'm gonna spin around, let y'all see all this. Hey, this is what it's all about. Tallahassee Ford is always in the community doing things, and we got another event, Rockin' Reds Fishing Tournament down in Panacea, Florida. Yeah, y'all come down here and check it out Saturday and Sunday. You won't be disappointed. I'm gonna spin around. We got the Expedition. We got the Bronco Raptor right there. We got a F-250 right here. And this is like behind the scenes down here. So this is different from my channel, but hey, it is what it is. Content is content. Tallahassee Ford, I'm shouting y'all out. Peace. About to get something to eat in a minute, but there's our F-250 there, TJ again, the Bronco Raptor with the Vossen, I hope I'm saying this right, the Vossen wheels, the big boys. We got that down here. We got an Expedition down here. We got some more vehicles coming tomorrow. So hey, y'all come check the vehicles out, come check the event out. Here is the behind the scenes. Everybody's setting up whatever they got going on. Tallahassee 4 once again. We got the coast out here. We got some guys up here on the pier with no shirts on. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, they're having fun. 3 guys up here, no shirts on the pier. I hope the lightning doesn't, never mind, I ain't even gonna go there. They're having fun, and we're having fun, and this is what it's all about. Tallahassee Ford in the community. If you're in Tallahassee, 243 North Magnolia Drive, come and see the dealership. We got deals, we got steals, we got everything, employee pricing going on. Here's some more behind the scenes stuff. Look how big these Expeditions are. This is just the regular, this is not even the max. We got koozies, y'all know what those are for.
Want a bell?
Got a little bell, yeah. Oh.
Bring for beer.
Bring for beer. We got the cornhole thing back here. We got some Yeti coolers, there's prizes, there's food, music, fishing. We got it all. And check out this dual stage tailgate here, by the way. Yeah, you can sit on that. Got the top part here. Check out the full review I did on the Expedition King Ranch too on the channel. And like I said, we out here in the community giving back all the time. Bronco Raptor right here. This is behind the scenes. That's what it's all about. TJ is involved in a bunch of things at the dealership. He's all over the place. And y'all, they probably gonna copyright me with the music, but oh well, it is what it is. On the coast, come check us out tomorrow and Sunday. It's gonna be a lot of people down here. Here's our other vehicle. This is our shuttle vehicle. We're going back to the dealership. This is an Explorer ST. Check that out. Blacked out. Looks good, right? There's the ST, baby. Yeah. Check it out. Check out them Brimbos. Yes, sir. And ma'am, everybody. I don't want to leave anybody out. We got to go. See y'all later.
The beer festival.
So, just like that, family, we are headed back to Tallahassee. Little vlog here. Sammy doing his thing. Get us back safely. He will. Yeah, we almost hit a golf cart, but yeah, we still go get there safe.
That's Harley Pittman. That's
the Pittman family.
Gage's sister.
Gage's sister. This is,
yeah, her brother. Gage is the one that passed away. That's her brother.
It's gonna be busy down here tomorrow, y'all. It's gonna be real busy.
I was gonna try it, but
Sammy said, "Not today. We go with safety first."
No, man, they did that.
Whoop. But yeah, this is what it's all about. There's our vehicles again out there.
Oh, dude, look, they got a brisket over here.
We got a brisket.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, so this is behind the scenes. Tallahassee Ford once again in the community. Thank y'all for watching. Come down to Panacea tomorrow and Sunday for the tournament, fishing tournament, sponsored by the Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive. If you're in Tallahassee, come see us, and we'll go from there. Sammy, give him a shout out, man. Deuces or something. He's like, yeah, whatever. That's what I.
Tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Sammy. I ain't gonna see you tomorrow. How old are you, young buck?
I turned 22.
22, man. The last 22s I saw were the ones on my car back in the day. Yeah, I'm an OG. I'm old, so yeah, I got an antique plate and I'm out of warranty. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. God bless you. God keep you to the next video. We are headed back to Tallahassee.